Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best oven grill is probably one of the most convenient ways to enjoy grilled food indoors. Oven grilling is a versatile cooking method that allows you to achieve deliciously charred and flavorful dishes in the comfort of your kitchen. It's especially handy during colder months when outdoor grilling isn't feasible, offering a fantastic alternative for year-round grilling enjoyment. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Indoor Searing Grill. Tired of bulky outdoor grills? This Hamilton Beach Indoor Grill lets you enjoy grilled food anytime, regardless of the weather. It eliminates the need for propane, charcoal, or lighter fluid. The high searing heat of 450 degrees Fahrenheit locks in juices and flavors. This ensures perfect grilling results for your steaks, burgers, and more. Food won't stick to the removable grill plate. The non-stick, PFAS-free surface makes cooking and cleanup easy. It's also dishwasher safe. Grill a variety of foods with the adjustable temperature control. From shrimp to pineapple, you can cook it all. The temperature ranges from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The red light indicates power, and the green light shows when the grill reaches the selected temperature. It's easy to know when it's ready. The extra-large drip tray catches juices and spills. It slides out for easy cleanup in the dishwasher. Keep the lid clean with ease. Simply remove it and place it in the top rack of your dishwasher. What we like. This grill sears at a high temperature, locking in all the delicious flavors. It also has a non-stick surface for easy cleaning. If you are looking for a grill that can sear your food perfectly and is easy to clean, you should consider this one. What people say. It cleans so great and easy. It heats up to a decent temperature for cooking chicken, burgers, or steak, or at a lower temperature for shrimp, veggies, etc. It heats up quickly for searing meats and cooking. Number 4. Lodge Reversible Cast Iron Grill Griddle. This reversible grill griddle offers a flat griddle on one side and a grill on the other. It's perfect for searing steaks, grilling veggies, or making breakfast. This provides ultimate cooking convenience. The 9.5 by 16.75 inch size is designed to cover 2 burners. You can use the griddle side for pancakes or eggs, and the grill side for burgers or chicken. It's ideal for large family meals. Use it on a stovetop, in the oven, on the grill, or even over a campfire. This durable cast iron ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention. It's ready for any cooking adventure. Made without PFOA and PTFE, it's crafted with just iron and oil. The company is committed to making products that are safe for you and the environment. Every step is designed to protect everyone. Lodge has been a family-owned business since 1896. They craft high-quality cookware that's built to last. Proudly made in the USA, it's perfect for generations of cooking. What we like. This cast iron grill offers a reversible cooking surface, giving you both a grill and a griddle. It's made in the USA and ensures even heat distribution. If you like versatility and want a durable, American-made product, you should consider it. What people say. The quality is exactly what you'd expect from Lodge, heavy-duty, durable, and built to last. It turns an ordinary stovetop or campfire into a professional cooking surface, and it's become one of my go-to tools whether I'm indoors or out. The griddle is perfectly flat and well-made, but it tips from corner to corner on my burners. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Grill. Introducing the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, an all-in-one solution for your kitchen. This appliance combines grilling and air frying, perfect for any countertop. Experience authentic barbecue flavor indoors. The cyclonic air technology char grills food evenly, giving you delicious sear marks without an outdoor grill. It's ideal for apartments. The smart thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. With presets and doneness levels, it ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time. You'll never have undercooked meals again. This grill has a large capacity, fitting up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs. It's ideal for family dinners or meal prepping. It's also great for outdoor kitchen alternatives. This is more than just a grill. It also air crisps, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates. It replaces multiple appliances, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Enjoy crispy fried textures with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. The air fryer crisper basket makes it a great choice for health-conscious cooks. Grill without the smoke. The splatter shield and temperature-controlled grate keep smoke to a minimum. It's perfect for indoor grilling and keeping your kitchen clean. What we like. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill features a smart cook system with a thermometer for perfect results every time. It's a 6-in-1 appliance, offering multiple cooking options. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution with a large capacity, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use and easy to clean. It grills, air fries, roasts, bakes, and dehydrates all with great results. The built-in probe makes cooking meats easy and precise. Number 2. Farberware 11-inch x 15-inch non-stick steel roaster. This heavy-duty steel roaster is designed to resist warping, ensuring years of superior roasting performance. It's a reliable kitchen companion for all your culinary adventures. The removable chrome-plated rack elevates your meats, allowing fats to drip away for healthier cooking. This feature enhances the overall cooking experience. Featuring a non-stick interior and exterior, this roaster provides excellent food release and quick cleanup. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. This roasting pan is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, offering versatility for various recipes. It's designed to handle a wide range of cooking temperatures. Wide, dual-riveted cast stainless steel handles make it easy to remove from the oven. The handles on the rack also aid in removing roasts, turkey, seafood, and more. What we like. This roaster is made of heavy-duty steel and includes a removable rack. It also has a non-stick surface for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a reliable roaster with easy cleanup, you should consider it. What people say. It was able to cook my 10-pound spiral ham. The tray feels very durable and was fairly easy to clean. The draining rack fits perfectly and easy to take on and off. Number 1. Nordic Ware Oven Crisp Baking Tray 2PC Set. This set includes a pan and rack, perfect for air frying, crisping, broiling, and baking. It's a versatile tool for your kitchen, designed to make cooking easier and healthier. You can make a variety of delicious treats with it, like bacon, jerky, dried fruits, crisp fries, and veggies. It's a great way to explore different recipes and enjoy your favorite foods. This tray offers a healthier option compared to traditional frying methods. The pan catches drippings, and the non-stick coated steel rack elevates food. This allows hot air to circulate underneath, eliminating the need to flip your food. The pan is made of formed aluminum, which conducts heat rapidly and evenly. This ensures that your food is beautifully browned, no matter what you're cooking. Cleanup is a breeze, simply hand wash it after use. Remember that aluminum can react to acidic ingredients, so be mindful of prolonged contact with things like vinegar or tomato products. This product is made in America, using both domestic and imported materials and components. It's a testament to quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This baking tray is designed for air frying and elevates food for even cooking. The pan catches drippings. If you like a healthier cooking option with even heat distribution, you should consider this. What people say. Fantastic pan. Deep enough so drippings don't spill while handling. The fit in the tray is perfect for even baking tops and bottoms of items, and washed easily with a little soapy water. Durable and super effective for oven use. I have not noticed any warping. It's quite versatile as I use this regularly for both grilling, broiling, drying and baking. I can't believe how impressed I am with this pan. I was super skeptical that this would actually be non-stick as most pans are not. The rack is coated similar to those coated closet racks for pantries. I was shocked that nothing sticks to it and any food residue left sitting on top after cooking just wipes away with a cloth. The pan is also finally big enough to cook large amounts of food on. There is plenty of room for the air to circulate. Most times I don't even need to flip my food. Not only that, it has cut down the cooking time as well. Overall, there are so many positives. Large cooking surface, super easy to clean, air circulates around the rack, almost eliminating the need for flipping food, decreased cooking time, rack doubles as a cooking rack, pan can be used exclusively on its own, so you basically get 3 pans for the price of one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.